How to insert a header only on the first page of Google Docs. Hi everybody, if you're wanting to insert those, you can follow the steps. So for that, you can double click on your first page and type in the text, your header, in your header section. So go ahead and type in the title, whatever you like. After that, you should be finding the same title, the header, on the second page as well. So if you want to change that on the second page, what you're going to do is you're going to double click again. After that, you're going to go ahead and here you can align your header wherever you want, like this in the middle. And you can find this option with this checkbox. All you got to do is go ahead and check mark this box and go ahead and type in a header. For example, header itself, and again align it in the middle or wherever you want. After that, after this is done, go to the second page of Google Docs and you can go ahead, double click on it, and you can go ahead and uncheck this mark if you want. And when you do that, you should be finding the second page header removed. So that is how you insert a header only on the first page of Google Docs. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.